Hello, Assalamualaikum and Konnichiwa. So today we're going to present about our projects named Pet Feeder. And for my part, I was assigned to draw a drawing of an isometric drawing and also orthographic drawing. These two drawings have a visual scales of 1 to 10. This shows the visual height of the pet feeder is 95 cm with the width of 53 cm. For the shape of the pet feeder itself, we prefer to use hexagon shape instead of using circle shape. Hexagons have more space in order to increase and embrace the space to fill in with the cat food. We also provide water ballast for the cat to drink. Throughout our isometric drawing, we also provide new technologies where the smart material is being placed at the middle of the hexagon. This smart material is called ultrasonic wave. The ultrasonic wave will detect the presence of food level, which it will be detected and will be notified in the apps.
Alright, for my part is the material selection. For the first one is smart material, using by ultrasonic. For the second one, 3D printing, a 3D printer for the FDM, fuse deposition modeling. For the third one, by using the steel, and the fourth one by using the plastic.
Firstly, milling machine will be used to make the hexagon shape, which is also from the steel material. It has 6 sides of it. The hexagon shape is the container that contains the food for the pet, and it is the outer of the product. Next, we are using the 3D printer. For the 3D printer, we are using the plastic material to make the bowl for the food, and also the place for the pet string. And as we know, 3D printer is a technique to create a quick fabricate of scale model of physical part assembly by using the 3D CAD data. And for the next process is the ultrasonic sound detector. This is the component that will be put in the pet feeder and as a tool to ease the pet and also for the pet's owner. And last but not least, for the joining process, we are using the adhesive joint to combine the metal to metal. Each of the assemble need this joining to get a finished product and complete the whole look.
So basically, this pet feeder will function automatically, but the maintenance work of the pet feeder need to be done manually by the owner as well as the food and drinks. This pet feeder, which is equipped with smart material and got connect with application, will operate accordingly based on the owner requirement. Therefore, there are few steps need to be done by owner in order to activate the pet feeder. First and foremost, owner need to install the pet feeder application inside their smartphone. Next, owner can perform a cleaning and maintenance activity of the pet feeder if needed. For example, owner can clean the container of food and drink of the pet feeder weekly or monthly, as this container can be removed from the main body of the pet feeder. Next, owner need to set up the function on the pet feeder by using the application. For example, owner can set up the amount of food and determine on what time the food will be dispensed. This pet feeder will notify the owner through the application if the food inside the storage has reached the minimum level. Lastly, I would like to share on how the pet feeder functions to the pets. This pet feeder will produce a sound when the food is ready to be dispensed. The sound produced is a cat sound that will help to notify and attract the pet attention. The pet also can drink the water at any time, as the water container designed for this pet feeder is a no-spill bottle that can be accessed by pets at any time.
First, we need to choose the best material like you have seen earlier, and then we need to put them in a secured and safe place to control their quality. And for the method, we have choose cell assembly because it's the best one to combine all these machines together. And the machines, we must make sure that they are inspected and tested before we run them. And the operators to control the machine must have good experience and knowledge in them. And they must also comply to the safety SOPs before they do the job. And then when we have produced the product, we must make sure that the measurement is correct by doing inspection. And we must do statistic using SQC to make sure that the process is controlled and consistent. And lastly, we must make sure from start to finish everything complied with the quality system standard.
The process that we choose to design the model are adhesive joint, 3D printer. The limitation for the adhesive joint is the painted might be affected due to the weight of the substance. Second, it took several times to dry, and lastly, it cannot be surrounded at high temperature. Next process is 3D printer. 3D printer is known as a high-cost rapid prototyping. The material used is to rely too much on plastic and it consumes high source of electric energy.